Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Binance with gift cards. So just tap on my account and officially logged in and just tap on more button and scroll down the last, you will see the marketplace. So just tap on this marketplace and just tap on the coin gate, which is top, and after inside, when it's load the coin gate gift cards, I will just tap on our app store iTunes. So you can just select your country. So I will just select my country Australia and just keep going and just add to cart and open cart. So just continue to progress. You can just complete this verification by your email. So I will just tap to confirm it and it will be sent verification. And if your passkey was not passed, so you can just choose the another method. I will just switch the another method of verification. So I will just choose the email. So just go back and check your email and copy the verification code from your email of 6 digits, and after copy it and paste it again in Binance verification. So just paste it. So when it is was done, so just tap on continue and confirm. So after it will be a go in the new page, and then select again your country and just add to card. So open the cart and this is your app store and iTunes gift cards. So I will just remove 2 and keep it 1 and just tap on confirm on Binance. Just tap on this green button when you are sure to make it gift card. So when you was done, and go back, check your email, and if you get your redeem code, just copy it and open your app store on iOS and go on your profile, which is top right corner bottom, and just tap on redeem gift card, and you can just add a manually code and just paste it here, and after pasting you will get a discount and you can just purchase the with gift cards. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.